Welcome to English for Speaking Practice.
Hi, Ruchi. When did you come home?
I just came a few minutes ago.
Really? Do you know I came home 2 hours ago?
2 hours? I didn't know that.
Yes, I was waiting for you.
Why didn't you call me?
I did, but your phone was off.
Oh, the battery died.
Okay, but where were you?
I went to a party.
A party? Without telling me?
Yes, I was in a hurry.
Who invited you?
My friend invited me.
Which friend?
Lisa invited me.
Lisa again.
Yes, she is my close friend.
Where does she live?
She lives near the hospital.
You should have informed me.
I know, I am sorry.
I waited the whole evening.
I didn't expect the party to be so long.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I ate at the party.
I didn't eat anything.
You should have eaten.
I was waiting for you.
I didn't realize you would wait.
Why didn't you message me?
I forgot.
You always forget.
That's not true.
It happens many times.
Please don't start again.
I'm just telling the truth.
I said I am sorry.
Sorry is not enough every time.
Then what do you want me to do?
I want you to inform me next time.
Okay, I will.
And keep your phone charged.
Yes, I will take care.
I was really worried.
I understand.
I don't want to argue.
Me neither.
Let's just eat something now.
Sure, I'll make dinner for us. Good morning, Rishi. Please wake up.
10 more minutes, please.
No, it's already 7:30.
Oh, okay, I will.
Aren't you going to the office today?
I will go. I'm waking up now.
You always say that.
I am really tired today.
I know, but you have work.
Just a little more sleep?
No, get up now.
Fine. I'm sitting up.
Good. Now open your eyes.
My eyes are open. A little.
Not enough.
Why are mornings so hard?
Because you sleep very late.
Maybe.
Not maybe, it's true.
Okay.
Go brush your teeth.
I will in a minute.
You said that yesterday too.
Really?
Yes, every day.
I need motivation.
Your office is motivation.
Not enough.
Then what do you want?
Maybe a cup of tea?
First, brush your teeth.
You always say that.
Because it's correct.
Okay, fine.
Are you getting up now?
Yes, I'm standing.
Good boy.
I'm not a boy.
Then act like an adult.
Harsh morning words.
Just the truth.
All right, I'm going to the bathroom.
Good.
What's for breakfast?
You tell me what you want.
Something simple.
Like toast?
Yes, toast is fine.
Okay, I'll prepare it.
Thanks. I'm fully awake now.
Rishi, breakfast is ready.
Great. What did you make today?
I made toast and tea.
Nice. That's perfect.
Sit down, I'll bring everything.
Thank you, Ruchi.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did.
Good. Now eat.
The tea smells really good.
I added a little ginger.
That's why. I love ginger tea.
I know.
The toast is crispy.
Is it too crispy?
No, it's perfect.
Good to hear that.
Are you eating too?
Yes, I will eat with you.
Sit down, join me.
Okay, I'm sitting.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not much.
Why?
Because you were snoring.
Oh no, really?
Yes, loudly.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'll try to sleep on my side tonight.
That might help.
What are your plans today?
I have some cleaning to do.
Need help?
No, you just focus on your office.
Okay.
Do you have any meetings today?
Yes, one big meeting.
Are you prepared?
Almost. I'll revise after breakfast.
Good idea.
This tea is so refreshing.
I'm glad you like it.
You always make the best tea.
Don't flatter me.
I'm serious.
Okay, thank you.
What time is it now?
It's 8:15.
Oh, I need to hurry for the office. Who is calling now?
Hi, Rishi. It's Lisa.
Oh, hi Lisa. How are you?
I'm good. Just wanted to say hello.
That's nice. Hello to you too.
I also wanted to talk about last night.
Last night.
Yes, the night party.
Night party?
Yes, didn't you come?
No, I didn't.
And Ruchi didn't come either.
Wait, what do you mean?
I mean, there was no party last night.
No party?
Yes, no party at my place.
Are you sure?
Of course, I never planned a party.
But Ruchi said she went to your party.
What? She said that?
Yes, she told me you invited her.
That's strange.
Very strange.
Is everything okay at home?
I don't know now.
Maybe you should talk to her.
Yes, I will.
I don't want any misunderstanding.
No, you're not the problem.
I hope not.
Thank you for telling me.
No problem.
Sorry if this made you uncomfortable.
It's okay. I just wanted to be honest.
I appreciate that.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
Sure. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. Ruchi, can we talk?
Yes, what happened?
I talked to Lisa today.
Oh, what did she say?
She said there was no party last night.
Uh-huh.
Ruchi, why did you say you went to her party?
Please try to understand.
I'm trying, but tell me the truth.
I didn't want to tell you where I went.
Why not?
Because you always get angry.
Angry? About what?
About small things. About me going out.
That's not true.
It is true, Rishi.
I just worry about you.
I know, but it feels like control sometimes.
Control? I never wanted that.
But that's how it feels to me.
So you lied because of that?
Yes, because I was scared of your reaction.
Ruchi, you should have trusted me.
I'm sorry. I made a mistake.
Where did you really go?
I went to meet my cousin.
Your cousin? Why didn't you say that?
Because you don't like her.
I don't dislike her.
Yes, but you always complain when I go there.
Maybe I was wrong.
I felt stressed, so I lied.
I'm not happy about the lie,
I know.
but I'm more hurt that you were scared of me.
I didn't want to fight.
But lying creates a bigger fight.
I'm really sorry.
Don't cry, Ruchi.
I just wanted some peace.
I understand. Maybe I need to change too.
And I will never lie again.
Good. We should talk, not hide things.
Yes, you're right.
Come here. It's okay now.
Uh, are you still angry?
A little, but not with you.
Then with whom?
With myself for not understanding you earlier.
Let's understand each other better from now on.
Ruchi, I think everything is clear now.
Yes, I'm glad we talked.
We should trust each other more.
Absolutely.
Your phone is ringing.
Oh, let me check. It's an unknown number.
Answer it.
Hello?
Hello, is this Ruchi?
Yes, who is this?
I'm calling from the city market shop.
Market shop.
Yes, you left your bag here yesterday evening.
What? Sir, are you sure?
Yes, we checked the CCTV. It is your bag.
I didn't go to the market.
Please collect it any time today.
Okay, thank you.
Ruchi, what is going on?
I swear, Rishi, I did not go to the market.
Then how did your bag reach there?
Maybe someone took it.
Who would take your bag?
I don't know. I'm scared now.
Did you meet anyone else yesterday?
No, only my cousin.
Did you keep your bag somewhere?
I kept it on my cousin's sofa.
Did anyone else come to her house?
Wait, her neighbor came for a minute.
Neighbor? Who?
A man. I don't know his name.
Did he take your bag by mistake?
I didn't notice.
Or maybe he took it on purpose?
Why would he?
Maybe he thought something valuable was inside.
But he returned it to the market shop.
Yes, that's the strange part. Something is not right here, Ruchi. Not right at all.
Tell me honestly, are you hiding something again?
No, Rishi, I told you everything.
Then how did your bag reach the market?
I don't know.
You didn't go to the party.
I already said sorry for that lie.
And now your bag is in a shop you never visited?
Please trust me.
It's hard when things look suspicious.
Suspicious? You think I'm doing something wrong?
I didn't say that.
But you meant it.
I just want the truth.
I am telling you the truth.
Then explain the bag.
I can't because I don't know.
That sounds unbelievable.
So now you don't believe me at all.
I want to, but things are not making sense.
Maybe you don't trust me anymore.
Don't say that.
Then stop doubting me.
I'm not doubting, I'm confused.
Confused or suspicious?
Ruchi,
No, say it clearly.
fine. I think you are not telling the full truth.
Wow, after everything.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
But you did.
I'm just trying to understand.
And I'm trying to make you trust me.
Then help me understand the back situation.
I already told you what I know.
That's not enough.
So what now?
I think someone is lying.
And you think that someone is me.
I didn't say that directly.
But you feel it in your heart, right?
Ruchi, stop twisting my words.
I'm not twisting anything.
Then why are you getting so defensive?
Because I'm hurt.
I'm hurt too.
You think I'm careless or lying or doing something wrong?
No, I'm just scared of losing trust.
You already lost it, Rishi.
Don't say that.
Then stop treating me like a suspect, not your wife.